Hi, I'm Seth from Great Northern Docks, and this is my nephew Gabe. And Gabe's dad, my brother, donated 2 sections to Camp Susan Curtis. Bless his heart. These are going to be trail bridges out in the woods, and it's not that easy to get to. So carrying these a long way, I went and checked it out yesterday. It's almost impossible. There's fallen trees, so I figured I might have to float these things to the location.
That's right.
So when you volunteer and donate, you know, it's not always just as easy as these sections. There's a lot of work that's going into this. So we're gonna get this done today, all in one day.
Lots of sweat.
Yeah, I'm already part way there. Hopefully that holds it. Sam, I'm just gonna tow it in reverse. You'll see. On the other one, I'll cut them. You want to wear this? Oh, you want me to do it? All right. Hey, ladies, got some nails for you.
Let's just all jump on this, get this done.
Okay. Sharp. Sledgehammer driving cap. Okay. Well, that was easy.
Fairly easy.
All right, I want to show you what we did here. We replaced a wooden bridge that was all rotted out with materials that are not going to rot. The framing is aluminum and the decking is a fiberglass reinforced polymer that has all kinds of holes in the surface, and that will keep everything growing on the sides of the stream. And that growth is paramount to keeping the soil in place and preventing the stream from eroding away. So if you get down close on the surface, this product here was made by Sunwalk Superior Surfaces. It's got a knurled finish, which is super grippy for your feet. Hikers are gonna love that. Bridges made out of wood are oftentimes, when they're left in the woods, some of the slipperiest surfaces you can walk on. And this surface here is gonna give them lots of traction. The holes in the surface let the sunlight through. The aluminum framing is not going to leach any chemicals in the environment. It's going to last for many, many years. So this Camp Susan Curtis is not going to worry about replacing their bridges every 10 years. So we're super happy about that.
To help support this camp further, you can go to greatnortherndocks.com/maps and order the Trout Pond map for yourself.
Hi, Terry.
Hey, Sam,
Hey.
nice to see you.
It's good to see you again.
Thanks for being out here today.
Oh, it's my pleasure. How do you like the bridges?
They're awesome. We can't wait for our kids to do some hiking on them.
Oh, so glad to hear.
Gonna make it so much easier to pass through there.
Yep, it's actually possible now.
Yes, it totally is.
Yeah, so I'm really excited about what that's gonna do for your hiking program, but I'm really excited about what Camp Susan Curtis does as a whole, and I was wondering if you could talk to our friends a little bit about what Camp Susan Curtis is.
Sure. So Camp Susan Curtis has been here since 1974. We're celebrating our 51st summer, and during that time, we've served about 20,000 Maine youth. They come here for 10 days. They are all facing economic hardship, and so they're able to come to this beautiful spot absolutely tuition free, and we provide them with everything that they need, including their bedding and their toiletries. And they are here and they get to choose from a whole variety of activities. So we do everything outdoors, like science and nature and hiking and overnights on those trails that we were just talking about. We also have swim lessons and recreational swim. And then we have our craft house, which is really popular. We have a ropes course that's out here. So pretty much when you think of a traditional Maine summer camp, that's what our kids are participating in when they're here.
Nice. And so maybe you can tell us how people could financially support Camp Susan Curtis?
Absolutely, I'd love to. We have a website, susancurtis.org. And if you go there, you'll see all kinds of great stories of our campers, lots of wonderful pictures, but also there's an opportunity to donate right there on our front page. Thank you so much, Sam. Thanks for all you do for Camp Susan Curtis.
It's my pleasure.